Hello, I'm Mr. Golem, and today I'm gonna show you how to install OTC for CSGO. First you need to do is go to your Steam and click play at CSGO. The game needs to launch. When you have launched your CSGO, the next step is launch your injector. I prefer the CS injector, link in description. You see? Okay. Next, select here CSGO, and maybe you can choose from here and click select. Next you need to click add, OTC, and inject. It's injecting, and wow, it's injecting. Good luck, have fun. We see in the CSGO. Okay, we are in CSGO. You see there is my desktop name, and there is I don't know how to say it, but there is fucking something in CMD. To start it you need to click insert button, and wow, you got assembled because it's cracked, but I don't know why. I just downloaded it from Discord. Okay, there we have legitbot. It's there are options suck. Just go to config, click config, OTC range config, link in description, and click load. Voila, insert to close menu, and we go to map. Voila, there we are. When we click scroll, we can see third person, bots can kill us, and get the weapon. Boom, headshot, okay, F3. Boom, it's getting nice headshots. When you click shift insert and you click skins, you can choose your skin. You see, okay, I catch skin, we can choose skin. Just spray, seed, where, blah blah blah. Type. Next you can choose knife, I want flip, and I will see. Voila, we have knife and we don't have AK, I don't know why. Just good luck and have fun.